Good morning. Thanks for meeting me about Tom's desire to cancel his reservations for the China tour. Good morning to you. It's great to meet you. I'm actually excited to kind of handle this situation because I know this is becoming a problem for our company. And I have to say, I'm pretty excited to work with you because I've heard a lot of great things about your work ethic. You're honest, you're professional, and you're reliable. So I'm excited to meet you as well. Well, thank you. I was wondering, what are your thoughts on how we should handle the situation? Well, I took the initiative to do a little bit of research. I talked to other people in the industry and sort of saw how they handled the situation. There's a wide variety of ways that they do it, and I'd love to share some of that research with you. Oh, great. Yeah, I'd love to look into that. If we did make an exception for Tom, though, would we have to make an exception for all of our clients? Well, that's a good one. I think some of the traits that make us good business people also make us a good business. So, honesty, equity, and flexibility. So, I guess in short, if we're going to be flexible with our clients, and I think we should adapt over time for our clients, just like the laws of our country change over time for its citizens. But if we're going to do it for one, I think we really need to do it for all. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a very fair and honest company. So, yes. Interesting. Tom shared some feedback with me about his disappointment over our policy, especially since he is such a frequent client. Since we have such a long waiting list for this trip, I know we can move the packages to other eager customers. What do you think about bending or changing our policy altogether? Well, I'm glad that he gave us the feedback, and I think we should actually do a better job of getting more feedback from our clients, even the happy ones, because I think that's important for us to really understand where we are as a business and even individuals and what changes we need to make so that we can better serve our clients and they feel a little bit more comfortable working with us. As far as bending or changing the policy, I think kind of like what I said earlier, I think it's important that we remain flexible enough to change if that change needs to happen. I think as a team, though, we need to come together as a company and really discuss it, try to figure it out, and maybe even have some clients come aboard. Yeah, that's interesting. To be honest, I was afraid to even approach you about the issue. At my last job, my other supervisor was really negative and aggressive. I know, I hear you. I really think companies should be doing a better job of teaching and professing emotional intelligence because a lot of people, especially some supervisors, have a hard time putting their emotions aside and looking at a problem from a more logical standpoint as opposed to just going on their emotions. And, that goes for everybody. I think we could all learn a little bit more from that. All right. Well, thank you. It's great meeting you. It's great meeting you as well.